I just wanted to give an essential travel tip, the things to carry. Handy travel kettle. This is very useful to heat the water, to cook a ready to eat flattened rice or Maggie, whatever. Yesterday, I had a sore throat from the airport to the railway station in Switzerland. I was heating the water wherever possible. I just used to take a tap water and just heat it and drink, just to feel better, because I had a really running nose in the flight, and my throat was very sore. This helped a lot. I even carry some of the rice flakes, the flattened rice, from India. I just have to heat the water, and you just so this kind of pouch just to eat whenever you feel hungry, especially I traveled more than 15 hours yesterday. It was very essential because I don't find the really good food everywhere. I just carry these things just to make sure I'm not hungry and I'm healthy. It fits everywhere. Like if you see, this is fitting just at the side of my backpack. So this is one of the really good product to have.